Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen on this device. So, as you can see, the device in front of me is already locked, so without the proper email and password for it, I can't really get past it. So, to bypass this, we're gonna go back to the first page. Well, not really first, but to the Wi-Fi page. And you want to be connected to network for this. So I already am, as you can see, and from here let's just scroll all the way down to add network, and then in the SSID you want to write youtube.com, then hold YouTube and it will pop you up with a couple options, and we're interested in the share icon, which is the kind of like a chain link. So from YouTube, let's tap on the account icon, go to settings, about, and then YouTube terms of service, and go through the browser. Accept or agree and continue. And from here we can tap on the search, and we can go into HardReset.Info website. Like so. Tap on the three bars right here and go into download category. And in the search for download, you want to write Android 8. There you go. Tap on download. Again, scroll down and you will have the download link. Allow and confirm it by tapping on OK. Starting download, and soon after we should get a pop-up that it has finished. There we go, download successful, and I didn't actually tap on it, so I need to open the download, manage downloads. There we go. Tap on that. It will block you by the first try, so we need to go into settings, allow from this source, go back, and now we can install it. Once more, let's just tap on allow, give it a moment, and once it's finished we can open it. Once you have it open, go to Google Account Manager APK install and select for version 6.0. Again, settings, allow from this source, and go back and install. And this time around, once it's finished installing, you want to tap on done, or in this case we can just tap on the back button and then go into bypass FRP, choose browser sign in, 3 dots up there, and again browser sign in, and OK. And this will allow us to log in with the Google account right here. So I'm gonna use mine. Now if you don't have one, you can always create one on your computer and then use it to log in to here. It doesn't need to be like an old account. You can use whatever account you want. Wait, what am I? There we go. And I'm gonna put in a password. And then tap on sign in. It will start signing in, and once it has, it will go straight back to the app. So from here, hold power key and select reboot, tap on it once more, and wait for the device to power back on. So, as you can see now, the device is back on, and we can proceed through the setup of the device once more. This time around, you should see a key difference of the device actually not blocking us with the verification. So it should be somewhere right here. And you can see account added, and that's the account that I have provided right before the restart of the device. Let's just tap on next, and that is also the screen that it usually show verify account. Now at this moment it doesn't really matter how we set up the device, we'll perform another hard reset of it, so you just want to go through it as quick as possible to gain access to the settings. And we're basically done. And now that we're on the home screen, go into the settings, scroll all the way down, and we're looking for, I believe, additional settings. Or not. Let's see. I'm just gonna search for it, it's gonna be quicker, so... Okay, backup and reset, there we go. And from here, erase all data, factory reset. And then at the bottom top on the reset phone. Now we need to wait 20 seconds, 10 on this page before we can click on next step, and 10 on the other, or the next one that is gonna be. Okay, there we go, and 10 more. And performing this will basically remove the previous account that is still on the device. So the account that was previously blocking us, and by doing this will be completely gone, along with the one that we have added right now. But that doesn't really matter, we will be able to then add it without any kind of problem. And as you can see, now the process finished, and we can now set up the device as however we like. Now once more, I'm just going to go through a quick setup process just so it takes as little time as possible, but you can basically set it up as however you like. So also, as you can see, you can skip Wi-Fi connection, which previously was not accessible. Okay, so there we go. So as you can see, the device is now fully unlocked, and you can use it as well to the full potential. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.